Measuring the moisture content of fibrous materials delivered by truck has long been a challenge. The methods and devices used so far are unreliable and generate losses for the industry. The industrial moisture gate transforms how moisture is measured in fibrous materials, like waste paper bales, straw bales, wood logs, as well as cotton, tobacco and bulk grains. Fibers balance their internal moisture with the surrounding environment, which leads to natural moisture content distributed in a highly uneven manner. The change of moisture content generates changes of weight and volume. The IMG accurately determines the average moisture content of entire loads and provides real-time, precise and representative moisture data within 1 minute without any manual intervention. The IMG combines a 3D optical system and a microwave system to collect volumetric and dielectric data from the material to be measured. The 3D optical system performs object recognition and image analysis used to control the microwave system. The microwave system generates multipolarized, low-power electromagnetic fields which change due to the presence of water. It detects a wide range of dielectric properties of the material to be measured. The data collected by both systems is used to calculate the moisture content. Gain instant access to real-time, data-driven moisture insights for entire truckloads, enabling you to make informed purchasing and reprocessing decisions on the spot. The IMG seamlessly integrates with the mill, IT and ERP systems, optimizes purchasing costs and fiber balance, improves operational efficiency, and ensures long-term sustainable market conditions. Industrial Moisture Gate. Insight beyond the surface.